Peace, love, welcome to Larry's Fountain Pen Review. Welcome to Mail Call. Well, my friends, let's open it up and see what's inside. And then I'll talk a little bit about it, then I'll let you go, and then I'll do a review down the road after I get to writing with it. One of my favorite Chinese pens, the Jinhao. Oh, I know, a lot of you people, get furious. Just get angry. But, I still like the Jinhao. It's been one of my favorites for many years. Started back with Jinhao back in 2015. So, yeah, they work for me. But like I said, we're all different, right? So, I respect people's opinions. So, please just respect mine. And here it is, a beautiful Jinhao. Let's take it out of the sleeve here. It is gorgeous. It really is a nice looking pen. And it's the Jinhao Classic Matte Black Red Feather Arrow Tungsten Steel Nib Fountain Pen. That is really good looking. Look at that. That is a good looking pen. Like that feather clip. Reminds me of the Parker arrow clip. I like that red band that have on there with Jinhao on it. Nice looking pen.
That color combination reminds me a bit of the Magma pen from the other day.
From the Visconti. Yeah, kind of the same kind of look. So this is a much slimmer pen, and I will do pen comparisons as well. Let's pull the cap off. And it's got a real nice looking nib. This is going to be a fine nib. And it is a fine nib. It looks like a number 5. It's going to be a smaller nib. And screw off the barrel. It does come with a converter. So there you have it. Also has the red search for the screw in on the barrel as well there. That looks pretty cool. So, cool looking pen. So you got a red band there down the barrel and that nice large red band right here at the bottom of the cap. So, hey, this is going to be an interesting review to see how this smaller nib size handles ink to the paper. That's going to be the big test right there. How is the nib? We'll be back on that one later. Peace, love, wash those hands, and don't text and drive. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Later.